All right, so this is day 2. Just got here this morning. Eric's mom is reporting activity now inside the kitchen on the counter. Let's go look. Morning, Connie.
Good morning.
So, this is new, huh?
Exhibit number 1. 2 up here. 1 here, 1 here, and 2 little bitty ones on the compost bin.
Yeah, it looks like they're
Little,
nice.
bitty bitty. And then there's this one. This one.
And what time did you notice this morning?
Around 9:30.
Okay.
This one here in the sink.
In the sink.
2 little bitties here. Yeah, they never go further than there though. And
at 3:50, what was it? I heard the sound of the Tyvek paper or whatever you used to
Oh, the zipper door?
zipper door that. I don't know what was being activated, but I was like, oh wait, one of those zipper doors was it cut to keep
plastic.
Yeah, some part of the plastic was getting hit.
Okay. Let me go down there and check it out.
Yeah.
So we closed all this up last night. We just saw a rat inside here. It came out of that hole there and ran across. So what we're going to be doing is we're doing a lot of the exclusion work here. Got the bathroom all cleaned up, disinfected. So what we're going to do is, since we see some runways in that insulation, we see these little holes, the pathways, we're going to set some traps on that side and then set some traps on this side towards Eric's room. All right, I went ahead and placed a trap here, loaded up with peanut butter. Used a sponge there at the trigger there, so we'll check on this here in a few days. All right, now we're going to go ahead and place a trap inside, gently there, gently. Okay, so now we have a trap in this bay here. We have a trap here. So this way now we're able to determine and have a process of elimination to see if they're going towards Eric's or coming in from Eric's. Here's the laundry room there. All right, well, see what we come up with here in the next few days. I'll be communicating with Eric and Connie and see if they hear anything. Hopefully those traps go off, and after that, no more activity. But that's the thing about rat hunting. You've got to stay on it. You got to outsmart them. Okay, guys, it's day 3. I got some text messages last night from Connie and Eric stating that after our exclusion work and after everything we did yesterday with regards to the bathroom and the crawl space, they heard a lot of squealing and hissing. What that means is we've disrupted them. What that means is they're either afraid or they're hurt. They've got pain. And I guess one of our rat traps went off as well. So let's go check with them and let's get some more information from them. Thanks for your text messages. So what's the latest?
We've witnessed a small, a medium, and a large. The good news is the large one is dead.
Dead? Where?
Basement next to the shower. Flat.
Basement next to the shower.
Yep, basement bathroom.
Oh, got it. Okay. So it must have fell out of that hole. That's probably the squealing you heard. That squealing is obviously an indication that they're in pain or they're afraid.
But it was a good
Is the
sign.
rat still in the bathroom?
Downstairs, yes.
Yes. Yes, I'm
Just
sorry, Connie.
the other 2.
Yeah, do you want to start with the live one or the dead one? Because we have one that you need to help catch.
Where is it?
It's in the sun porch in my mom's room. We've got live entertainment.
We
Got
just
it.
did a...
And it's still in there?
And it
Yeah.
didn't, and it was not...
Which room? That room there? Okay.
Yeah,
Let's wait for,
Sure.
I've got my,
Yeah.
yeah, let's go, is that in there?
Let's do the dead one. It'll be easier.
This is good news though.
Yeah, it's very good
We've
news.
disrupted them.
Look at this one, and then I'll show you in the laundry room. There's some signs
Oh,
of struggle.
look at that. Yep, our rat trap worked. Look at that. That's awesome. So that rat trap was over here, I believe, Eric.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Nope, not activated. This is where the rat came out of the rock right here and ran up there. So this rat is in this room here. So it's definitely in this room.
It's definitely in this room.
He was under the clothes.
Well, great.
Oh yeah, there he is.
Yep. Wow, he went airborne.
See his tail, you guys?
Yeah.
There's his tail right there.
Yeah.
So the rat, guys, is underneath this piece of furniture here. What I'm gonna do is...
Yep, he's over here.
Oh,
no, did he get...
He did not get through the barrier.
right here.
In the box.
Okay, here.
Oh, shoot.
Use this
For the
flat surface.
Oh, get up.
Yeah, he'll fall for it.
There he
One more
is.
time. Up. He's above the sewing kit.
Oh, there he is up on the top shelf.
He's up at the top shelf. He's trying to
He's gonna
gain
go
air.
visit Buddha. Ooh, what if he went in the trap?
He's coming to God.
Look at that. Look at that.
Can you help?
He's sealing.
The blue. The blue.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Give me the bag. Here.
You got the bag? Here's the bag. Use the bag. Bag usage successful.
Hurry,
Oh.
cover.
Yep, covered.
Cover.
Yep.
Lens closed.
Covered.
Close it. Yes.
Congratulations.
Hi, guy.
Oh. Good job,
Afraid
Connie.
to let go.
Good job. Wow, that was super exciting. This is pretty awesome, guys. This is what my brother and I absolutely love. When we come into a home like this and baby step and solve these rat issues, it's really amazing. You know, I'm calling ourselves the rat hunters because that's what we're doing. We're hunting down these rats, hunting their pathways, their migration, blocking them. So this is good. Okay, it's right here. Let's get that in the bag. Pretty big one right there, huh? Yep. That's a great trap right there. All right, so I think this is sticking out. So this is a good sign here. Let me pull this trap out here at this corner. Oh yeah, got a baby one there. See that right there? Look at how important that is. They were chewing the towel. That's why baiting like this is super, super important, guys. That cloth, and look at the springs again. Springs bait is gone. This is a great way to trap properly, especially when you have them cornered like this. All right, so that's day 3. We'll wait to hear from Connie and Eric and keep going. So again, it's having that patience, guys. Very, very important when it comes to rat hunting is you got to be able to be very precise in your wall openings and then be very strategic about trapping as well and where to trap. And then if that doesn't work, you got to move things around. So stay tuned.